everyone, hope everyone's had a good afternoon. It is a lovely day here in Dorset today, and we are going to go and see Winspit Quarry and Chapman's Pool. They are two amazing little spots in Dorset, not too many people know about. Well, I hope, otherwise it'll be sort of bad. So I'll see you down there. Just a quick note on the path. If you're going to do it, don't wear sandals. It's not exactly a smooth road. It's a good one, great walk, but it ain't smooth. Hey, so we made it. This place is amazing. It's really quiet. Only usually people that come down here are people who want to do some rock climbing, or some locals that know about it, who come for a little picnic. Such an amazing little spot. So cool. So we've taken the easy option and walking back to the car and go to another car park which is closer to the Chapman pool. So you can do a coastal walk, but just because of the time of day we've started, it's pretty late, it's about 5:30 already. And to be honest, I can't be asked. We're going to go back to the car and then we're going to head down to Chapman pool from there, from the car park. So it's about 20-25 minute walk all the way down to Winspit from the car park. If you're a fast sort of walker, if you're taking it a little bit slower, maybe even half an hour to be fair. On the way there, absolutely fine, downhill, pretty easy. On the way back, well yeah, you guessed it, it's uphill. Not so nice. See you in a bit. This is actually unbelievable. This place is ridiculous. So lucky to live down here, it's just so good. It's like 15-minute walk down, not too bad. Way back up's gonna be pretty nasty, but just check this out.